Hello, my name is Nischay. I'm from EC department. I'm here to tell you about smart mirror. Now, what is smart mirror? Smart mirror is a futuristic device which the communication takes place between the human and the processor. Now you think what type of communication takes place between the human and the processor? When the human acts as a master and the processor acts as a slave. Whenever the master gives a command to the slave so that the slave should uh, fulfill the task given by the master and show the requirement of the master. Like example, what type of communication takes place means giving a weather report, real time news, date, time, etc. Now this is smart mirror briefly explanation of. Now coming to the topics which we are going to cover in this smart mirror are introduction of smart mirror, what is smart mirror, and proposed system and block diagram where I'll tell you how the smart mirror works step by step of the smart mirror and hardware equipments and conclusion. Don't worry guys, I'm here. Follow my guidelines so that you can build your own smart mirror at your own place or homes. I'll show you every single step of debugging the program and adding the program to the smart mirror. Now, coming back to the topic, introduction. Now, as I told at the previous, what is smart mirror? Smart mirror is basically a mirror which provides the information which is needed by the master of day-to-day life of weather reports, real-time news, date, time, etc. You may think how it shows the date, time, etc. on the mirror. Now, go through this point. The mirror has an LCD screen. As you can see, back of it. For the mirror, we're going to attach a LCD screen back of it, where the brightness where the brightness goes low for the LCD screens, then the viewer can see the proper information from the LCD screen, showing all the information as it was existing system, as it is already informations are existed on the system. By reference to this, we have implemented an personal assistant so that the interaction takes place within the human and the processor easily. Where the smart mirrors are mainly used in home, industrial, and upgraded companies, so that you may think why the other industrial and upgraded companies. In these places, they use smart mirror for relaxation of employment so that they can further fastly bounce back to to the work as soon as as soon as they finish their activities. Now, I am going to tell what is smart mirror. Uh, as I as I told before, smart mirror is a two-way mirror with an electronic display behind the glass. The display can show the viewer different kinds of information in the form of weather, time, date, etc. and new updates. As I told first, smart mirror is a two-way mirror which are electronic displays behind the mirror and can display the weather, time, date and news updates. Now, what types of mirrors we are going to use? At the previous days of your school, you may learn concave mirror and convex mirror. They are the most only two types of mirrors. In that types of mirrors, the different kinds of mirrors. Now coming to concave. Concave mirror is a spherical mirror that curves inwards like a spoon. Inwards like a spoon, they create an illusion and larger, like inwards means this side of the spoon. It creates a larger and typical image found in like this type of mirrors are used in bathrooms and bedrooms. Now concave mirror is also a spherical mirror, but it is bulged outside. It is bulged outside. The images is be thin, will be thin, so thin, like small images. It will be convex mirror does not show enlarged image. It shows only thin image. Uh, these are two types of mirrors. We are going to use concave mirror in the smart mirror. In the concave mirror, there are two types: normal mirror and two-way mirror. Let us see how normal mirror is built and two-way mirror is built. And what is normal mirror? Now, how normal mirror is a old traditional mirror which is used in olden days. It's where the plain mirror will be coated once one side it will be coated with an reflective reflective metallic material is applied on one side of the mirror, like this side of the mirror, so that the object can be reflected back from this back side of the mirror. There will be no reflection like there will be no rays passing through the mirror. And to prevent the oxidization of metallic, we use a copper to a copper is added on the one side of the mirror where the metallic material will be coated. So all this entire process will be sealed with a coating of paint, like a coating of paint. You may know now how the normal mirror is built. Now think this is a normal mirror where the incident ray falls on the mirror, and the equal amount the how much the amount of incident ray falls on the mirror is equal to the reflected ray. This is the normal ray like definition. What is two-way mirror? Two-way mirror, you think now you have been seen them in many movies. Two-way mirror plays a main role, like privacy investigation movies and all, where the one person can see what and all activities going outside the room, but the outside room person cannot see what is going on inside activities. The two-way mirror, also known as a one-way mirror, is reflected from one side and transparent from other side. The two-way mirror are ideally from observation privacy ideally observation from privacy, infinity mirror and optical illusion. Now you think two-way mirrors are ideally privacy. I told you you'll be able to see in the movies that privacy mirrors and all, and optical illusion manufactured by the baking of mirrors coating on the gray tin glass. Now let us see how two-way mirror is built. How the two-way mirror is built. The two-way mirror is also manufactured using an reflective metal, which is most case of aluminum. Like two-way mirror we use highly reflective reflective metal to coat one side of coat to the mirror. However, the two-way mirror involves in very thin. Like in the normal mirror, they coat a heavily metallic material so that the other side of the other side coated side of the mirror cannot be seen at the outside of the mirror. Here, the only thin layer of an reflective metallic material will be coated on the back side on the mirror, so that the mirror acts as a one-way mirror or two-way mirror. This way, when the light falls on the glass, some of it gets reflected back, while the remaining passes through the other side. Now, coming, how does a smart mirror works? Now, at the previous slides, I told what are the smart mirrors requirements to build. Like what are the type requirements for to build a smart mirror. Now I'll tell how smart mirror works. In this slide, there is a main role playing. Please concentrate on this slide. How smart mirror works, I'll tell you cleanly. How does smart mirror works? A smart mirror is an arrangement of display behind the two-way mirror. Only the light and display screen is visible on. As I told, when the display brightness goes dimmer, then the visible of monitor will be high. On the other side, if you the dim the screen, like, think this is a screen, scale is a screen. If you dim this side, back side, one side, if you dim the mirror of one side, you can see the reflection from the other side, of your own reflection from the other side. This point tells that the same action. If you dim the screen brightness, you will be able to see your own reflection in it. I told you, right? At the same time, the images or videos that display on the screen can also be seen by you. Like, at the same time of your reflection, you can see the images or video displays at the same time in front of you, which it will listen to the command, and they like, we use personal assistant, as I told before. It listens to the command which is given by the user from which it will gives its response. The smart mirror have some capability like showing dates, time, reports reports and news update, real time news. Sorry. And proposed system. Now, this is a as I told you, as you see these two pictures, you can understand how smart mirror works at homes. Smart mirror plays a main role nowadays. When you go a upgradation technology at technological stores, you can see a mirror. When you go front of it, it's like, without going taking a dress and going to changing room, change the dress and see how it looks. You cannot like, it is a much bigger process. When you go front of the mirror, you can select the dress, which color do you choose, and what's the size. And you can go, when you stand front of mirror, the reflection of you will be displayed on mirror. Based on that, you can be changing the shirt color or pant color based on your requirement and your favorite choice, so that you can, after you choose, you can go directly to the uh, point where the dresses will be located, and you can take the dress with the preferred size and go from the shop where these two images show like that. This is in that, this plays in the role of, like, business area. These smart mirrors, these types of smart mirrors are used in homes. Like, when you go front of the mirror, and the previous slides I told, at the same, when the mirror gets dimmer, you can see your own reflection on the mirror. At the same time, you can see the video. Like, you can see if a person is doing a gym, by seeing the mirror, in the mirror there is a video of a person who will be training the training the person on the training the person, so that he can see in the mirror and train himself exactly based on the requirement. Now let us talk what is the proposed system of smart mirror. Mirror is eventually a technology argument interaction or device. The objective of the design the mirror is to provide a nature interface. In this admittance, some of the environment from the accessories, various service such as location based weather, the time, calendar, etc. As he'll be like, as he continues to do exercise in the mirror, according to the video, they will be showing that what are the notifications which is coming to him, and date, time, news, location, etc, etc. And the data would be transmitted from the machines, and would be managed in central database. We intelligence of the smart mirrors where in the voice enable LCD assistants will see to the needs of user, and this will be a personal assistant to the user. You think, now, if a person doesn't, he will not go into the front of mirror at any. For 5 minutes you'll go front of mirror, after 5 minutes you'll go away from the mirror. So smart mirror should not be like, it cannot be on for 24 bar 7, right? So there we play a main role. Will give a motion sensor to it. When a person comes front to the mirror, the motion sensor activates the mirror so that the master, like user, came front of you, start getting the task to fulfill the tasks of the human request, so that the it will like the mirror will display all the date time. When the person goes away from the mirror, the mirror automatically gets off. Like we use motion sensor to for automatic on and off. Now let us talk about the block diagram of smart mirror, like how the smart mirror will work, yeah, based on that instruction. Like, let us talk about the flow chart. Now, when the human being gives an command to the mirror, it takes like this command gets started, it goes to the main display. Like, now you ask a assist like, hello Siri. Like, first it write down the command which is given by the person. When it is correct, it shows all the list of instruction which is given by the person or a human being. If it's not there, like if that where whatever the required task will be not existed in the net, it goes back and shows the error. If it is there, it gives a list of instructions and get to the function. Like, it gets the list of instruction. Like, now where Google plays a main role of getting the databases on the based on the cookies. they, this is the type where they place in main roles, and if it is not present in that instruction, it goes back to the main display. Once all this goes through with the true state, right, then the output given to the main display so that the person can see the required information. Now, smart mirror, as I told, block diagram of smart mirror. Like, this diagram is little bit blurry. I'll show you the another one of block diagram. Now see, this is the block diagram. Micro, like, smart mirror, this is a CPU Raspberry Pi which is given. This is a mirror. Here I show news, RSS, weather, multimedia services, like voice control, like microphone, voice command. Like, assistant will be given to the voice command here, and given to the command as a microphone. When the speaker human being speaks, it should listen, and goes to the LCD touch screen. LCD screen behind the mirror. This is the like normal log diagram. Bl- block diagram of an if block diagram of a smart mirror. Like that, it will be displayed on the mirror. And next, see, there is a small image over here. I'll show you. Now, live feed, picture in picture, web gigs I told, like weather reports, real time news, dates, dates and time. These are the four instruction which is used in smart mirrors of live feed camera. How the person looks and the picture, whether this dress will be this dress will suit for this person or not. All the features we can see in this smart mirror. Now, going back to the presentation, I just gone go through that, like, you can understand the process of the smart, like how the smart mirror works based on the block diagram step by step. How inside the smart mirror works based on the command I showed you through that block diagram. So, smart mirror CPU, as you see here, I told in that diagram, RSS feed, weather update, calendar event, traffic update, multimedia service, etc., etc., all are going to given to the CPU, like smart mirror CPU, like Raspberry Pi, where Raspberry Pi is attached to the LCD screen. And LCD screen, like, whenever the user will speak, the microphone will capture the voice modulation and goes sends to the smart mirror. This is the first step and sends to the smart mirror CPU. It recognizes what the user requires. At that extent, it serves the feeds between this, like etc. Between this instruction, it grabs the instruction and display it on the screen, so that the person can see from the two-way mirror what he required information is given by the smart mirror or not. Now this is the block diagram of smart mirror. Now let us concentrate on the what are hardware requirements for building the smart mirrors. Let us see about it. Now hardware requirements necessarily this is most important. This most important requirements of the for building a smart mirror. Now for building smart mirror, first we want two-way mirror and monitor. It can be a LCD screen monitor like which we use in olden days computer monitors olden days like flat LCD screen. Now all they're getting a curved LCD screen. We cannot use that as in a smart mirror. Olden days smart mirror like olden days display we can use. And Raspberry Pi 3B model. I'll tell you which program it requires to dive in the like which type of program is used to be stored in the SD Raspberry Pi 3B model. And like if Raspberry Pi 3B model you are using means SD card should be compulsory, like around 16 GB or 16 gigabits, and HDI cable, power supply, monitor sensor like PIR when the person comes front of the mirror, so that the mirror should sense the person object and start to display on the screen of date and time. Microphones to interact with the person. Now Raspberry Pi is a 3B model plus 3B like we need this type of Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi model 3B plus is the latest product of Raspberry Pi range, but boosting of 64 bits quad core processor running a 1.4 gigahertz dual band 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz wireless LAN. It has Bluetooth connection and faster Ethernet and PoE capability via PoE hat. Now you think the like how to dump the program in the smart mirror. Now I'll show you how to dump the program in the smart mirror. Now we require a SD card for this, so that the program which we going to store in the smart mirror is this one. Let's go for downloads. Now Raspbian. Now there are three types of like software which we use to start to when we use the Raspberry Pi. We should store three types like these are the three steps which will be using for Raspberry Pi program, so that we can dump it to the SD card of 16 gigabits. Now we are going for smart mirror. We use Raspberry Pi Buster with this desktop and recommended software. We'll download this. It is around size of 2 250 2530 MB. So we require this software to dump in the Raspberry Pi and Raspberry Pi, so that it pro it will be easy to programmable for the LCD screen, so that when the connection is given properly to it, the automatically displays the date and time which one all we require. We can give in the command, so that automatically displays on the screen. Now, here how is it work? An SD card, I'll tell you. I told you before it. An SD card inserter into the slot and broadcast acting as a hard drive from the Raspberry Pi. It is powered by USB and video output can be hooked up with traditional RCA TV like LCD screen. traditional TV, that is more modern monitors or even TV using an HDMI port. Okay, by this you can understand how Raspberry Pi works. I gave you information that how to install feed a program into the Raspberry Pi and how to go for further step. Next, what we required is monitor, as I told, the olden days monitor, LCD monitor, as you see in this picture. Like pretty much monitor will be suitable for a smart mirror. An HDMI connection is preferable, but as you will see, it is not essential. Smart mirror does not do not require high-ended monitor with high resolution or refresh rate. A simple monitor is basically featured is also you need, like high-end monitor we do not require in this part of view. A olden days mirror or your laptop's LCD screen can be used in this smart mirror, where you are going to get rid of this outer layers of the display, and you going to get till then when you get this type of outcome at the back side, so that the attachment goes through easily, where you can see here, see this. This is the this. I'll show you how monitor should be looking. Yeah, mirror. I told you two-way mirror. Two-way mirror is also known as, like, one side, as I told between, when the monitor is attached to the two-way mirror, so that when the brightness of the mirror is getting is underrated, then the reflection of a person is is visible on the mirror. And the two-way desktop is a monitor is kept attached to the mirror, so that the display brightness is a dim, so the person can see from the other side, based on through its requirement, like the news reports, date, time, etc. Now, two-way mirror is also known as a one-way mirror, is reflecting from one side and transparent from the other side. The two-way mirror is an ideal for observation privacy, and it is manufactured by using a mirror coating a grating glass. As I told before, grating glass. Two-way, I came back because you guys make getting bored. This is not like get if you get one time your knowledge acknowledgement, you can go through this anywhere you want. Two-way mirror. Two-way mirror is also manufactured using a reflective metal, which is most cases aluminum. How However, two-way mirror is involved very thin of a reflective coating. This way, when the light falls on the glass, some amount of the light will be reflected back, and remaining will be passing towards the mirror. Now, next we want is HDMI or 90 degrees HDMI cable. You guys know what is HDMI cable nowadays? It is mainly used in live streaming, etc., TV, monitors, and all. If you if your monitor has an HDMI input, grab yourself and short HDMI cable. We don't require a long cable so that it gets clumsy in the model. If a model long cable is there in, if you take a long cable, it gets clumsy, where wires, all most of the wires will be covered in the inside the smart mirror body. So take a short HDMI cable, connect it to the Raspberry Pi, and get a smallest cable possible, so you don't need and deal with messy cables. I told you, right, behind the mirror. If your monitor does not have a HDMI input, you will need to have an HDMI to DVI or D sub adapter. The monitor is used for many smart mirrors did not have any HDMI input, so I brought a cheap adapter that works with perfectly fine. This is a cheap adapter which works perfectly fine with the smart mirror. Now I'll show you when you connect this HDMI cable to the Raspberry Pi and monitor, which software you need to require to display it on Raspberry Pi. I'll show you this. So this is a Balin Etcher. This is a software where we select the image. As you see down, we select the image and select the drive and flash it. Means you grab the image from the pro, like whatever, like your wish how the theme is required for displaying time and date and all. You grab that image and store into the like theme and all. Select theme and select a drive for it, like SD card which you are going to insert it right inside the Raspberry Pi. Select the drive and flash. This is a download file. This is around like it is 64 bits. I'll tell you this how much. See, there is a 64-bit like based on your laptop's requirement. Each are Linux. We can download in Linux software, Microsoft or Windows, Mac and all. See, Windows, Protable, Mac and this both are Linux, 64-bit and 34-bit. Now going back to the HDMI. Now I told you how the program should be installed in Raspbian Pi 3B plus model, and how the HDMI cables works, and what type of software you should be used to import the image into the drive, so that the person can is be able to see the pictures on the smart mirror. Now PIR motion sensor. This plays a main role. Whether if the PIR motion sensor is not there, will be, you think if PIR sensor is not required in the smart mirror. When a person goes front of the mirror should recognize a my master. Like I told, human user is a master. My master came front of my mirror. Like user came front of me, where this PIR motion sensor is not there. That time the mirror should recognize and give the command, right? It cannot recognize whether the user has front to the mirror. So the PIR sensor, motion sensor, plays a main role. When the user comes front of the PIR sensor, it activates the smart mirror. It activates the smart mirror so that it can be used to fulfill the human requirements at the instant of time. The best smart mirror does not need you to be manual to turn them on and off. To truly, like whenever a person goes front of the mirror, he'll be not like he gets irritated for turning on the smart mirror and turning off the smart mirror. So the more PIR sensor, more monitoring sensor plays a main role over there. Whenever a person goes towards the mirror, it automatically turns on the mirror, and turns when a person goes away from the mirror, it automatically turns off. Now the mirror should only turn on when there are somebody in the room, and then turn off when there nobody in the room. As I told, it's highly recommended building a smart mirror with a motion sensor. It is seriously step up the quality of the mirror, so that the perspective of the visitor to your home, whenever how many visitor, like think a bunch think a family members will visiting your room, uh, home. It can sense that how many people, different types of people came front of the mirror, so that they can look it, keep on counting the number of person at came to the mirror, and yeah, it sends the feedback to the person in the like main user to its notification and all, etc. This many peoples or this many times you are came front of the mirror. It is serious step, like how home, when they see your smart mirror come to life when they step into a room. Understood? As this, when somebody is there into your room, the smart mirror comes alive. When nobody is there into your room, smart mirror turns off. This is the main role of PIR motion sensor. Now microphone. This is also a main part of smart mirror. As I told, this many hardware equipments are mainly required for smart mirror buildings. Like to build smart mirror microphone. It is mainly used. Excuse me. It is like microphones are attached to the Alexa or Google Assistant backside of the mirror, where it try to pick a shot cable mirror so that there'll be no clumsy. Microphone will be attached at the top of the mirror. Whenever a user is started to give a task to the mirror, so that the microphone can listen the command and command and go for a further step. While the lots of people like the idea of having a such touch screen smart mirror. Now this is a futuristic smart mirror, so that through the upcoming days they are going to do we are going to do as a touch screen smart mirror. I have personally feel that the voice command are far as particle, like nowadays this Google Assistant and Alexa Alexa are playing a main role in nowadays world. In nowadays, if you are already one of the smart home platform, it's no brain, like you don't know, you know already these two objects will play a main role in nowadays. The smart mirror into a capable device. Now power supply. This is the main part of the smart mirror. Without power supply, the smart mirror does not works. In that, we need two types of power supply. One is for monitor and one is for Raspberry Pi. The first recommended for Raspberry Pi, like recommended to easiest way to power this Raspberry Pi is micro USB port, micro USB port on one side and it of 5 volts, and the Raspberry Pi consists of 5 volts and 2.5 amperes. Now let's come what and like now at what I told, what and all hardware equipments which is very essential for building a smart mirror. Now I'll tell what are the parts which is partially required to build a smart mirror. Speaking kit, speaking kit, LED lights, stick, like LED lights. Like for decoration, we use decoration for LED lights is used for decoration around the smart mirror. Stick away board, breadboard. Like breadboard is not required in the smart mirror, so that every cable connection will be given as straight as possible. N channel MOSFET and heat sinking. Heat sinking is mainly used for like whenever a LCD screen is continuously displaying on a smart mirror, it gets heated, right? LED bulbs, LED screen gets heated, so that we use heat sinking. Like we don't require heat sinking as much, but heat sinking plays a main role. It sucks the heat from the LCD screen and gives to the outer atmosphere. Now let's see on. Sorry for going back. Now, okay, guys. As I thought you have some idea about smart mirror of futuristic device. Now coming to a conclusion, smart mirror is a display that predefines the information and also does the job of the mirror. Among the reflection time and reminder are displayed, which helps in keeping the track of important events or schedules when required. Weight, pulse rate and body, like now in the future like now at the present situation, smart mirrors are only performing a weather time, dates, news, the real time news and date, time, etc. For futuristic device, they are going to we are going to build like blood pressure in the human body, like sensing the blood pressure, pulse rate and body temperature of the person is measured at the display. We are going to this helps the better, so that the person can understand how this body is physically and mentally getting started of his day, of his uh, coming up day and personal use, especially of busy schedule. Smart mirror can be easily installed at home and offices, as I told at the first starting. Now thank you guys for listening to my smart mirror video lecture, video presentation. Hope you all understand my concept of smart mirror. So thank you and goodbye.